My gloves on, by the way. She's fighting.
She's feisty.
Ow. Torture.
She said, Mommy, it's not up there.
Look at how little her tongue is. Oh. Look at her little lips.
Hello. She said, look, Mommy, it's at the bottom now.
Alright. Can I eat now? Watch her lips.
Ooh, she said,
Jose's lips. Look how big her lips are. Get her ears.
Okay. There's that ear. Now let's turn around. Let's get the other ear. And there is a difference. Oh, wow.
I told you, this one's more flat.
Yeah.
And this one's rounded. It's the same as Liliana's.
Yeah. There's a lot of difference.
And
I didn't
hair.
believe y'all. Look at that hair. Look at her face. She's trying to wake up.
She's about to smile. She's like a little angel.
She said, if you're going to do that, you need to give me a bottle.
She looks like a little angel.
God, she's so pretty. Kenzie. How did I take a 6-minute video of her that first time? I'm only at 2 minutes and well, I didn't have a gown and stuff on either.
I think it's also because